What if I told you you could check the condition of your vehicle's suspension system with a few measurements with a simple household tape measure? Well, you can. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. We're talking about ride height. What is it? Well, it's where the manufacturer specifies the vehicle is supposed to ride at. Why is it so important? Well, we're talking about alignment geometry, the whole geometry of the vehicle, tracking, handling, all kinds of things. What controls it? Well, springs control ride height. You can see here, we're talking about leaf springs, coil springs, torsion bars, or air springs. That's what controls ride height. Why is it so important? Well, there it is right there. You're going to measure it. That manufacturer has a specification either from the rocker panel, the ground, or the fender well. How do you do it? Well, it's pretty simple. You can do it yourself. Just take a tape measure and go out and measure where the manufacturer says, either the fender well, the rocker panel. You can go from side to side of the vehicle, make sure that one's not sagging, but it has to follow that manufacturer specifications. That's important. You can see right there is the rocker panel, just depending on what they call for. But then that manufacturer specification is not always followed. UTVs, ATVs, what's the first thing they're going to do? Put some big old wheels on it. Pickup trucks, some big old wheels on it. That's a problem when it comes to the components.
Exactly, and that's the first thing you're going to do. You have to talk about modifications and where does all of that stress actually go? Because that's what you're creating is stress. You add tire size, you're adding rotating mass, you're adding, things that are going to apply stress, and where does it go? Right to the oil. The oil has to be able to handle that. And you're talking about film strength when we're talking about tires and we're talking about suspension, you're talking about the differentials. So film strength is extremely important to preventing wear from happening inside of that. You put a big tire on a truck and all that stress goes right in there, and if the oil can't hold up, you're going to see wear, you're going to see metal parts, you're going to see a ruined weekend is what's going to happen.
So AMSOIL, we can go ahead and modify our vehicles, we just have to have the proper protection.
That's correct. You can put big tires on it, you can re-gear it, do whatever you like. Just the main thing is look for a properly formulated, fully synthetic gear lube, such as all the ones that we have at AMSOIL.
There you go. Well, make sure your motor oil is measuring up. And for a ton of products that all measure up, just go to AMSOIL.com. See what I did there? I did.